Hey there guys, it's me, A148 or Ash148 Ton. Here to bring you guys another math video. Today we're going to be talking about graphing triangles based off from everything that we've already learned. I've already done a little bit of graphing, but I'm just going to deal with some examples this time. Giving you an x value and kind of showing you what to do on both sides of it. So, now we're going to get started. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I'm just going to give you a xy coordinate plane and a random angle called theta. And let's just say theta equals, I don't know, theta equals, has to be 30, 60, 30, 60, 45. Let's just go with 30. Alright, so since this is now the 30-degree angle, we can just say that the length across from it is the x. This is 2x, and then this is going to be the x squared root of 3. Now, I'm going to give you a random x value or a random value for any one of these sides, and I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes to try and figure it out, or a couple seconds, 30 seconds. You can stop the video at that point. I'm going to give you actually, I'm going to give you a little bit more difficult of an answer. So we're going to have the 60 side going to be equal to the, what should I do? 3 square roots of 6. And I want you guys to just say that the side opposite the 60 is equal to that. And take a moment now, stop the video, and try to figure out what the heck the x value is. Alright, so now that we actually know what it is, and you guys have probably figured it out, I'm just going to take 3 square roots of 6 is equal to x square root of 3. And what we want to do with this is we want to divide the square root of 3 by both sides. And what we actually do with this is we actually take out this, 3 square roots of 2 is our final x value. Now, how do we figure out this 90-degree side? I want you guys to take a second and figure out how you would actually do that with this new x value. Pause the video and try to figure that out. Alright there guys, so after you just pause that video, we're just gonna put the x value into our equation. So it's gonna be 3 square roots of 2, and then that's gonna be equal to our 90-degree. So then we just put this into the equation, and we just get 6 square roots of 2 is equal to the 90-degree side. Yeah, that's basically what it is. But onto the graphing part of this, and also the main part of the chart. So I'm going to be giving you guys a quite extensive lesson with this. So we have a degree angle, and we all know that that can equal 30, 60, 45. So I'm just going to make a chart over to this side. For 30, 45, 60, and we have our sine and cosine, and we're going to be basically just figuring what each one of these values is. And since in the last episode I mentioned that, or in the last couple episodes I mentioned that this and this are equal, and this are equal, and these two are obviously equal, I want you guys just to take a second and try to figure out what they are based on what I've taught you so far. Just take a second, try to see if you can remember what these are. Alright there guys, that should be a good enough time. So, with a sine of 30 degrees, that is actually going to be equal to, the sine is equal to the, oh man, is that, I don't remember offhand, but I'm just going to draw this. Yeah, you can stay there. my nice triangle. This is the 30. That's the 90. This is the x. This is 2x. And then, nope. Don't quote me on that one. 2x. Then we have our sine, which is the opposite over the hypotenuse. This is going to be 1 divided by 2. This is 1 divided by 2. And then this is the square root of 3 divided by 2. And then this is the square root of 3 divided by 2. And then this is, so we have our 45. X. This is going to be 1 over the square root of 2, 1 over the square root of 2. Now we can find the tangent with this as well, but yeah, that's basically all you need for the rest of this. This has been like a shorter video than usual, and this is what you're going to need up here for every single thing. We're also going to do the 0 and the 30 in the next couple episodes, which I don't... What's the next episode? I can't remember offhand. I can't remember what the next episode is offhand right now, but I will post that in the description. Just subscribe, rate, like, all that fun stuff, and see you guys next time with another math lesson. Peace.